When the gods granted King Midas one wish, he wished that everything he touched would turn to gold. Midas was delighted. Trees, rocks, buildings, all gold. But soon he found in horror that his foods turned into gold as well. When he hugged his daughter to soothe his pain, he realized his mistake too late. The richest man in existence was starving, heartbroken, and alone. Humanity got a similar wish granted when we learned how to turn brown, stinky goo into magic. Plastic. Cheap, sterile, and convenient, it changed our lives. But this wonder of technology got a little out of hand, and these days we are focused mostly on the bad side of the coin. So, just to make sure, banning plastics is the best option, right? We don't need it in our lives at all, and it's affecting our planet for the worse. Actually, it's a lot more complicated than that. Because, as I said earlier, this coin's other side has not yet been discussed. By allowing manufacturers and consumers to do more with less, using plastics can help reduce energy use and greenhouse gas emissions throughout the life of a product or package.
A recent European study found that replacing plastics with other material would require the use of 57% more energy and result in a 61% increase in greenhouse gas emissions.
Making a single-use plastic bag requires so little energy and produces far lower carbon dioxide emissions compared to a reusable cotton bag that you would need to use your cotton bag 7,100 times before it would have a lower impact on the environment than the plastic bag.
Many plastic building products promote the efficient use of energy and other resources. A one-year study found that the use of plastic building and construction materials saved 467.2 trillion BTU of energy over alternative construction materials.
That's enough energy saved over the course of a year to meet the average annual energy needs of 4.6 million US households. Plastics provide significant energy savings which strongly contribute to reducing harmful emissions, which include consuming 2.4 billion gigajoules less energy per year than alternative materials, and saving 53 million tons of crude oil per year. Existing plastic products enable significant savings in energy and greenhouse gas emissions. Plastics are essential to modern living and also vital in delivering a low-carbon economy.
However, the positive impact which plastics have on climate protection throughout their life cycle is not fully understood and appreciated. Right now, plastics have an important role to play in the journey towards sustainability. We found a magic material and had a really fun time with it. But we really need to be careful with it, or just like Midas, we'd soon find ourselves in a world